Welcome to F-Man's RSS Review. Today is Sunday, December 13th, 2009, and currently he follows 92 feeds across a variety of different subject matter. So it looks as though the GigaOM and a whole bunch of other blogs that the Google phone is real. They've in fact just handed out a whole bunch of unlocked phones according to some Google employee Twitter feeds and having them play around with the Android. Let's see, Google just seems to be everywhere. Tiger Woods has announced that he is taking some time off, an indefinite break from professional golf. He needs to focus on being a better husband, father, and person. So maybe he'll be a walk-on for the Masters, win it, and just walk off. That would be pretty cool, according to a friend of mine. Snowstorms buried central Ontario, which is unbelievable. It was up to people's shoulders in the Gravenhurst and Bracebridge area. Since they didn't have any snow in the month of November, probably nice that they got a little bit. Here's something that is pretty funny and in line with what's going on in Tiger Woods' life. Toronto Transit, the TTC, has rejected the cheating spouses ad. It is from a website called Ashley Madison, and Noel Biederman is the CEO of this. And basically, they wanted to write on the side of the TTC buses and streetcars and subways all about this, website to hook up so you could cheat on your wife or your husband, and TTC rejected that, rightfully so, because they want to do it over Valentine's Day. Pretty good. Let's see what else is in today's RSS world. So, not that much, but because it is the weekend, it looks like Emo Labs has raised $1.5 million of investment, according to TechCrunch, for an invisible speaker technology. So they've actually had to file that with the SEC. And here is what Emo Labs does. They create a better multimedia experience. In any event, go check out emolabs.com if you want to know a little bit more about their invisible speaker. So if it's an invisible speaker, do people get invisible money back on their return? And artificial intelligence has been reborn at MIT, according to BoingBoing.net, and they've launched a $5 million 5-year project to build intelligent machines. Okay, since Skynet isn't up and running just yet, this might be the beginning. Thank you, Marvin Minsky, synthetic neurobiologist Ed Boyne as well. So thanks for dropping by my blog, and you can visit us on iTunes, search for F-Man, or drop by fman.com. Have a nice day.